Alright guys, welcome to the first unboxing video. Today we are doing the May 2020 Shit Hit the Fan Mystery Box. So you have 3 levels, the Primary, the Pro, and the Elite box at $19.99 a month, $49.99 a month, and $89.99 a month. We got the Pro box, so we're going to start with the Primary box. And the first thing on the list is Trailblazer Aluminum Emergency Whistle 3-pack. So I do apologize in advance, this is my third or fourth attempt at getting this video recorded, so everything's already out of the packages, but at least I can show you guys. So these guys, they're nothing special, your standard normal emergency whistle, nice and loud, as my wonderful son discovered. So next up on the list, lighter caddy assisted opening pocket knife, which is this guy. And it's kind of neat, you know. It does, you know, stick your lighter in there, and small 1-inch knife. Not bad. And it is an interlocking knife. Next up is the Don't Tread on Me multi-purpose field knife, which is this guy, and it's kind of neat. You know, it's a good little knife, solid plastic sheath with the belt clip, and this guy's got a nice good rubber grip on it, and of course, don't tread on me, liberty or death. It's a good fishing knife, can't complain. Next, we have the Emergency Pocket Fishing Pen and Reel, which is this guy right here. And it's kind of neat. I've seen these advertised on Facebook. And, you know, they're kind of... I've never actually bought one, so this is my first time actually seeing one in person. And they do extend out a good ways, and it comes with a small reel. Not really sure how well they actually perform, but we're gonna have to test that out this weekend, this Memorial weekend, and do a video on that. And finally, in the basic primary box, we have the stainless steel key organizer carabiner, which is this guy right here. So it's kind of neat. You know, it's got some rings to help organize your keys, some built-in tools, a little screwdriver. Not bad, not bad. I've had better boxes, but not bad. And that's everything in the primary box for $19.99. In the Pro box, you get everything in the primary box, plus a high-speed wireless device flag, which is this month's extra. Kind of neat, a little gimmicky, but kind of cool because America. And a survival hand chainsaw, which is this guy right here. Now this is actually probably one of the most useful items in this month's box, because, well, it is. Rolls up nice and neat. And with 2 pretty good grip handles, fits your hand nice. And you wrap it around whatever you're trying to cut and just back and forth like a normal saw. And a convenient carry bag. So, yeah, this month's Pro Box for Shit Hit the Fan Mystery Box. As always, please support the Wildland Firefighter Foundation. Go ahead and hit that. If you like this video, smash that like button. Please subscribe and check out my Patreon page. And I will see you guys next time.